All right, good morning, everyone. My name is Scott Cihak, and I want to welcome all of you today to the ninth floor. I want to share with you, I started off my morning looking at our social media pages for Centennial Medical Center, and I just wanted to share with you, if you have a chance to look at our social media site, just the amount of comments that are being shared by our community with admiration for all the compassionate care that you're providing to our patients during the COVID-19 pandemic. Today we're on the ninth floor because it's April 1st and it was the scheduled day for the opening of this unit. As you know, in the last month and providing our daily COVID-19 updates, we really focused specifically on COVID-19. We had to cancel our town hall meetings earlier this month, and one of the highlights we were going to share with you is the progress of construction and renovation on the campus. And while we've been dealing with the preparation for COVID-19, I want to share with you that construction has also continued, and we're really excited. Earlier this week we saw the crane on the external of the facility go away, which marks the near completion of 2 years of renovations. And I want to turn it over to Cindy Stroberg, our Chief Nursing Officer, who's going to give you some highlights today of this new unit.
Thanks, Scott. So as you all may or may not be aware, the ninth floor is a 36-bed medical surgical unit. The plan was that it would become the unit to house existing units as we would go through our campus-wide renovation plans. For the immediate use, though, we will use this unit for surge capacity for continuing need as we continue to face the COVID-19 pandemic. This unit is now ready to go should we fill up our current existing units and need to have additional surge units to take care of COVID-19 or persons under investigation patients. However, when the pandemic is over, we will get back to the renovation plan, and this unit will then in the future serve as a unit where we can relocate existing units as we continue renovation across the campus. And with that, I'll turn it back over to Scott.
Thank you, Cindy. So please continue to utilize our COVID-19 employee portal as well as our Ask Scott site. Send us questions. We look at all those in real time and provide very fast feedback. If there's anything you'd like to see us highlight on these video segments, please send me an email and we'll be glad to do that. And in closing, on behalf of Cindy Stroberg and myself and our entire senior leadership team, really want to thank all of you for everything you're doing, taking care of our patients each and every day. Thank you.